Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 8th, 2024, and we're diving into Expedia Group's latest earnings report for the third quarter of 2024. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Expedia Group's performance, especially given the interesting developments in their latest report.
Absolutely. Expedia has reported some significant numbers this quarter. Let's get started. Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Expedia Group reported a revenue of $4.1 billion for Q3 2024, which is a 3% increase compared to last year. John, can you elaborate on the profitability aspect?
Certainly. Despite a modest revenue growth, Expedia's net income surged by 61% to $684 million, and their diluted earnings per share jumped 76% to 54 cents. This impressive profitability is largely driven by a 26% increase in operating income, reaching $762 million. The company has effectively managed its costs, which is reflected in these strong earnings figures.
That's quite a leap in profitability. What factors contributed to this?
Expedia's focus on operational efficiencies and strategic cost management, along with a favorable mix of high-margin business segments, have played a crucial role in enhancing their profitability.
Bookings and segment performance. Moving on to bookings, Expedia reported gross bookings of $27.5 billion, a 7% increase from last year. John, what can you tell us about the segment performance?
Expedia's room night growth was robust at 9%, with Brand Expedia showing mid-teens growth. The B2B segment was particularly strong, with revenue up 18% year over year. Lodging bookings also saw an 8% increase, reaching $20 billion, with hotel bookings up 10%. This indicates a healthy demand across both consumer and business segments.
It seems like their B2B segment is a significant growth driver.
Absolutely. The B2B segment's strong performance underscores Expedia's successful strategy in leveraging its technology and partnerships to fuel growth in this area.
Strategic initiatives and leadership changes. Expedia has also announced some strategic initiatives and leadership changes. Can you give us more details, John?
Yes, Expedia has raised its full-year guidance, reflecting confidence in its ongoing performance. Additionally, they've repurchased approximately 12 million shares for $1.6 billion year-to-date, which is a strong signal of their commitment to returning value to shareholders. On the leadership front, CFO Julie Whalen is stepping down, and the company is in the process of appointing her successor.
How might these changes impact the company moving forward?
The share repurchase program is likely to enhance shareholder value, while the CFO transition will be crucial to watch. A smooth transition is expected, as Julie Whalen will remain with the company until February 2025 to ensure continuity.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Let's discuss operational efficiencies and the future outlook. Expedia's operating income and adjusted EBITDA have shown positive trends. What are your thoughts, John?
Expedia's operating income reached $762 million, a 26% increase, and adjusted EBITDA was $1.25 billion, up 3% from last year. These figures highlight the company's ability to drive efficiencies and maintain strong operational performance. However, the free cash flow was negative at $1.69 billion, which is an area to monitor.
What does the future hold for Expedia?
With the raised full-year guidance and continued strength in bookings, Expedia is well-positioned for future growth. Their strategic focus on technology and partnerships will likely continue to drive performance, despite the challenges in cash flow.
Key takeaways. In summary, Expedia Group has delivered a strong performance in Q3 2024, with significant growth in net income and earnings per share. The B2B segment continues to be a key growth driver, and the company has raised its full-year guidance. John, any final thoughts?
Expedia's strategic initiatives and operational efficiencies have positioned it well for future growth. Investors should keep an eye on the CFO transition and cash flow management, but overall, the outlook remains positive.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Expedia's performance in the comments below.